Good morning and welcome to class students. Today we just discuss about the different types of the festivals celebrated in Rajasthan. So we come one by one to each type of the particular type of festival. So first we start with the Camel Festival as you just shown in this picture. The Camel Festival is held in traditionally city Bikaner, which incidentally is called the camel capital of the country. This land has the largest camel breeding farm in India, and the festival attracts local, national, and international visitors. So, the festival is held in the month of January over 2 days, and there are many camel events lined up during the time. Some of them are camel procession, camel races, tongue of war, camel dance, camel dressing competitions. So the animal are dressed in a embroidery attire, just you show in this picture. So during the festivals, folk artists and musicians give their performance, and sweets made camel milk are available for the public. Camel processions start from the Jonagarh fort. So month of January held this festival and 2 day celebration celebrated in Bikaner, and this attractive things are there, the aerobic dancing or different types of the camel shows or exciting games. These are the things related to this festival, that is the Camel Festival of the Bikaner. Then we come to the next one, that is the Nagaur Fair. As you can see in this picture also, the Nagaur Festival held in Nagaur city, and it's known as the cattle fair also because so many cattle are just the public collect there to business for that, and that is Nagaur festival is a place where one of the largest cattle training happens, and there are different varieties of cattle on display. Traders come dressed in colorful costumes. Visitor can make rides on cattle, and Nagpur is the distinction of producing red chili also. So here also mention the red chili bazaar or the red chili market, and largest red chili market of India is Nagpur. So different types of the sale wooden of items and iron crafts, chemical leather accessories we can see, and it's a attractive part of this fair. This fair held in the month of February. Duration of the celebration 8 days, held in the Nagaur town, and the different types of the activity you can see here in the Nagaur districts. Then we come to the next one, that is the Baneshwar festival. And Baneshwar festival, one of the popular tribal and culture festival of Rajasthan. So it's this festival held in Dungarpur area and organized in the Baneshwar temple of Dungapur, the festival of most significance to the Bhils tribe. So this is a very popular type of the we can say the festival of Rajasthan. The Baneshwar fair has been created by merging two fairs. The Bhils worship Baneshwar Mahadev and Mahavji in the fair. So from Rajasthan, the tribals come from places such as Baswara, Udaipur, and Dungarpur, and the Bhil sing the folk songs. Everyone is invited to participate in the songs and dance routine. There are even magic shows held there enthrall the audience with simple tricks. Also on the itinerary are animal shows and the acrobatic stunts. The fair also features merry-go-rounds and swing festivals. Rivals can use the facility to entertain themselves. So this festival is the Bhaneshwar festival held in Dungarpur area in the month of January and February. Duration of the celebration is 1 day, and the most of the activities related to the jaggings and different type of the activities related to the uh, so uh, different types of the activities related to the shows and dance music. It's a part of this festival. So we come to the next one, that is a very famous festival, and it's held in Ajmer, name as a Urs Mela, and the holy tomb of Sufi Sant Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti. So the Urs festival is celebrated at the holy tomb of Sufi Sant Khaja Muhyiddin Chishti, and memorizing his emphatic unification with the Allah. observed every year from 1st to 6th day of Razab, that is the one of the religious festival of Rajasthan, and attracts followers from all over the world. In this type of the religious festival, from followers from the all over the world is come here. The Urs fair is held in the memory of Khaja Muhyiddin Chishti, and Ajmer is the city by the lake and is located in the central part of the Rajasthan. It also known as the Holy Ajmer, and the city is held in high esteem by people from all communities. So, devoted often Nazrana, rose, and jasmine flowers are placed on the tomb of along with perfumes, and the Us fair is flagged off with the hosting of a white flag. I just you can see in the slides over here also we write the uh, one of the religious festival, and here the tomb is cleaned with the rose water and dipped with the embroidering silk cloth. This is followed by the prayers and offspring and sajda nashin, white flag hosting, kawals and mahfils are held in this type of the religious celebration is there, and is held in Ajmer in the month of anniversary is related in the seventh month of Islamic lunar calendar, and celebrated 6 days celebrated in Ajmer, and lots of activities going on this type of this festival. It's a very famous festival of Rajasthan. So we come to the next one, that is a Pushkar fair, or we can say it's a camel fair held in Ajmer, and one of the most traditional festival in Rajasthan, where thousands and thousands of camels gather for trading, and these one of its kind camel walls are celebrated with the music, dance and the magic shows, acrobats, snake charming, and the carlius riders. So where is held? It's held in Ajmer, Pushkar in near to Ajmer, and various activities are held in the Pushkar fair. Some of them are camel, horse, and donkey races. These competitions draw hundreds of spectators who cheer there, and their themes vigor. The duration of festival is spread over 2 weeks. There are again free wills, open grounds, open air theaters are the venue of music and dance performance. So month of October and November, the season of Kartik, when this type of this festival held, and duration of celebration is 5 days, and near Ajmer celebrated in Pushkar. So this is a very famous Pushkar camel fair or camel trade fair. Then we come to the next one, very famous festival of Rajasthan, that is Mewar. We can say it Mewar festival, and the particular thing, just you remember that the world's second living heritage festival. This very famous for this. It's a second living heritage festival, Mewar festival, and the 18 days festival is celebrated to welcome the advent of spring, and coincides with the festival of Gangor. At the time of the ladies worship the Parvati ji, at the time they celebrated it, this festival of Mewar. To Mewar festivals of Rajasthan is organized in Udaipur with grandeur and splendors. This is the world's second living heritage festival and one of the most popular fair of Rajasthan, and they celebrated with the folk music, dance, food and festival. So it's a Mewar festival, as you can see in this pic also. The Gangor, you can show the uh, this type of the festival celebrated in Jaipur also, but it's a Gangor festival, and this festival name is the Mewar festival and held in Udaipur. The most remember, or the we can say the most famous thing is related to this festival is the world's second living heritage festival. Then we come to the Kali Tej Bundi festival. It's known as a Bundi festival, but one more festival related to the Tej, and it's famous for it is held this type of the held in Jaipur. But this related to the Bundi festival, or we can say the relate held in the Kota district. Bundi is theirs the natural beauty, and the in this the month this festival is held in the month of July and August. Then we come to the next one related to the Ramdevra festival. We know this festival is known as the Ramdevji festival and held in Jaisalmer. The Ramdevji fair held in Ramdevji Ramdevra fair in Jaisalmer and village in August and held in August and September. This is very famous for the temple Ramdevji, and this temple is where his samadhi exists too. So many fairs of Rajasthan, this fair is open to all and there is no restriction on who can observe it. People of different religious folk came here and they between the it's held in between the August and September. People from all walks of life come to the temple to offer their prayers, and it's one of the best fair and festival of the Rajasthan. So the Ramdevra fair is significance given that it is unites people from all communities. Baba Ramdev was an egalitarian person who his life to bridge inequality in the society. So on the day of the fair, devotees distribute rice and churma. They distribute wooden horses in memory of Ramdevji. Throughout the night, banjaras are organized and kirtans are sung. So this type of the festival held in the area in Jaisalmer in the month of August and September is a very famous type of the festival of Rajasthan. That is Ramdevra Ji festival. Then we come to the next one, and it's a Goga Ji festival, as you can see in this picture also. And the Goga Ji festival is also very famous festival of Rajasthan. uh, Goga Ji fair is held in the memory of popular hero of their Goga, or we famous as a Jahapir. So this type of the festival is related to the uh, religious type one. We can say the religious type of the festival is this, and the Gogaji fair held in one Gogaji fair. That fair is related to the Hanumargarh, and Gogaji fair take place to commemorate the hero of Goga Veer, also known as Jahapir, among Hindus and the Muslim. The place of the fair Goga Medi, which is around. The place of the fair is Goga Medi. So remember the name Goga Medi, which is around 360 kilometer from Jaipur, and it's a nearby place of Hanumangarh. Gogaji memory of Samadhi is this place. His Samadhi houses his idol that is seen sitting on a blue horse and a close by a statue of a coiled snake. So Gogaji has devotees across many parts of the North India and not just the Rajasthan. Different parts of the from the different part of the India, devotees came here and they just enjoy this festival. The annual fair is held in the month of August of a duration of 3 days. Apart from the worship of this idol with the corrupt hands, rubbing incense as idol in another form of worship. So this is celebrated in the month of September, and near to month 3 days celebration and held in Hanumangarh. So we come to the next one, that is Kolayat fair, and it's a very famous fair, or we can say the festival of Rajasthan, and it's also known as Kapil Muni festival and held in Bikaner. So we just talk about this very famous festival, that is the Kolayat or the Kapil Muni fair held in Bikaner and properly known as the Kapil Muni. This mesmerizing carnival is one of the most popular festival is Rajasthan, and the Kolayat's earlier name was Kapilstan. Kapil Muni lived here, and hence the place was given this name. Kolayat can be reached from Bikaner by bus or by the private transportation. Here devotees came from different parts of the North India, and they have just celebrated this type of this festival and dip in the lake of Kolayat. The act is sent to purge their sins. They are celebrated in month of November, and it's a duration time 10 days duration, and there are 52 ghats. They comprise the banks of the Kolayat lake. All these ghats are decorated with the light on the day of the festival. Devotees perform various pujas that include the providing sugar, milk, and sweetens to the deities, and these puja items are made in the Kulayat temple. So it's a very famous festival. We can say it's a name, one more name of on the Kapil Muni's name. So it's a Kapil Muni festival or the Kulayat festival of Bikaner. So we come to the next one, that is the Matsya fair, and it's held in the Alwar city near to Jaipur. Matsya festival is a 2 day festival celebrated in the month of November in Alwar, and its key attractions are hot air ballooning, jogging yoga, stunning adventures, and this festival last one, that is a very famous festival, or the Rajasthan known by this festival is known as a desert festival. So we come to the very famous festival, that is the desert festival, we main festival of Rajasthan, and held in, yes, as you all know about this festival, it's month of February, held in the month of February. And this is you can say the desert festival is a camp, different type of the things are here going on at the time of the festival. The camel races, competitions, and turban typing held in Jaisalmer. I just forgot to tell you that the name of the place is the Jaisalmer where it's held, because I just know the every most of the people know about the festival of desert festival held in Jaisalmer in the month of uh, October, November. Different type of the races and camel races competition involving turban typing and a host of culture extravagance. This is a 3 day event and which was initially started for foreign tourists. In these 3 days, the many facets and the culture backdrop of Rajasthan is squeezed into the eternity. Rajasthan folk singers and dancers enthrall the audience with their pure art form. The fair and the fire dance also steal the show. It's a very famous type of the cultural dance is also held here. The final countdown to of the gala event start with the visit to the sand dunes over here. So festival revels get to ride the camels. Folk artists perform way into the night, light-hearted by the sand dunes. It's a very famous type of the festival of Rajasthan, or we can say the Rajasthani known as this from this festival. There's a desert festival celebrated in the May, January or February time at the month of celebration, and the duration of the celebration is the 3 day event. Different activities going on the time of the celebration, and for different types of the activities related to the cattle also held here and held in Jaisalmer. So I hope you understand the different types of the festival and the culture of the Rajasthan through these festivals. So thank you to join these sessions. Thank a lot.